This is Oppo A1 and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the Wi-Fi category, then connect yourself to whatever network you would like to share, onwards open its network details or about this network page. After that, find and tap at the share option and you will see the pop-up window which reveals or shows the actual password for this Wi-Fi network or of this Wi-Fi network rather, as well as QR code which can be scanned in order to help any other device or another device get automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.